2 biscuits. One for you, one for me.
Welcome to Kitchen Equipment Identification. Get ready to test your knowledge of kitchen tools and gadgets. Each question will present an image of a kitchen item, and your task is to identify it. But don't worry, we'll provide some clues along the way. Let's get started. Question 1. Can you identify the kitchen tool in this picture? Think about what tool you'd use to chop vegetables or meat. The answer will be revealed at the end. Question 2. Which kitchen gadget do you see in this image? This item is commonly used to mix ingredients or make smoothies. Keep guessing. Question 3. Take a closer look at this kitchen utensil. Can you guess what it's called? You might use this tool to flip pancakes or stir ingredients in a pan. What do you think it is? Question 4. Which kitchen item is shown in this picture? This tool is used to drain water from cooked pasta or vegetables. What's its name? Question 5. Can you identify the kitchen appliance in this image? This item is commonly used to reheat food quickly or cook small meals. What do you think it is? Question 6. Which kitchen tool do you see in this picture? You might use this tool to accurately measure ingredients for recipes. What's its name? Question 7. Take a good look at this kitchen gadget. Can you guess what it's called? This item is commonly used to extract juice from fruits like lemons or oranges. What do you think it is? Question 8. Which kitchen utensil is shown in this picture? This tool is used to open cans of food or beverages. What's its name? Question 9. Can you identify the kitchen appliance in this image? This item is commonly used to mix ingredients for baking or cooking. What do you think it is? Question 10. Which kitchen tool do you see in this picture? This tool is used for shredding and shaving foods. What is its name? Now, let's reveal the answers to our kitchen equipment identification quiz. 1. Chef's knife. 2. Blender. 3. Spatula. 4. Colander. 5. Microwave. 6. Measuring cup. 7. Citrus juicer. 8. Can opener. 9. Stand mixer. 10. Grater. How many did you get right? We hope you enjoyed identifying these common kitchen tools. Stay tuned for more fun and educational games in the future.